Hi everyone, in this video I am explaining about tuning fork test. Tuning fork is used to access of hearing. Tuning fork is a metal of instrument consisting of a stem and two prongs that form of a U-shaped fork. It is usually made up of steel, magnesium or aluminium. Has they sustained longer two tones. Tuning fork is a wide range of frequencies. Example 128 Hz, 512 Hz, 256 Hz. This is the tuning fork. There are three parts: prongs, stem, footpiece.
Tuning fork test, where is used to test hearing longer before the development of audiometry, which has still its important in correct diagnosis and good correction with PTA and results. There are two variations in tuning fork test: air conduction testing, bone conduction testing. Air conduction testing. In air conduction testing, a vibration of tuning fork is placed parallel to the external auditory metastasis. The sound waves are transmitted. Tympanic membrane, auditory nerve, auditory cortex, both conductive of mechanism, and cochlea are accessed here. Bone conduction testing. Footplate of vibration of tuning fork is placed on the moistoid process of temporal bone. Cochlea is stimulated directly by the vibration conducted throughout the skull. BCs measure only cochlear function. Tuning fork test. There are several tuning fork tests are available. The mostly commonly used among are as follow. There are four types of Rene test: Weber test, Bing test, Weback test. I am explaining about Weber test. Author Weber 1845. Principal tuning fork is placed at midline of forehead. Instruction: clinician keeps the vibration tuning fork on forehead and just inform in which side the ear patient able to hear the sound, right, left. Procedure: the tuning fork is a set into a vibration of and stem placed on the midline of the forehead or midline of the patient of the skull. By using the tuning fork, which is stroked against a rigidity surface that can be elbow, knee, holding the stem tuning fork. Patient with sensory neural hearing loss in one ear will hear the tone in both the ears. Conductive hearing loss in one ear will be hear the tone in the poorer ear. Result: the patient is lateralization with left ear, right ear. Interpretation: the unilateral hearing loss sound heard better in the normal. Drawbacks: Weber test cannot be performed patient mixed hearing loss as tuning fork loudness is up to 25 decibel. The patient with hearing loss more than 25 decibel cannot be examined.
I am explaining about how to perform the Weber test. First I will give the instruction to the patient. I will strike the tuning fork. I will place it on the tuning fork on your forehead. Inform me which side hearing the louder sound.
Both side.
It is normal.